Wow, look at this. Here comes the America coming back in off the ocean on a beautiful day. Sunset sail coming in off the Pacific back into San Diego. That is immaculate. Beautiful late afternoon sunshine. Relaxed people on board. City of Coronado and everything in the background down there. Alright, what do we got here? Some seals. And look at that, looks like the America coming by in the background there. There we go. Sliding right by, really close.
What's that letter of the alphabet, Al? R, I am. Anybody having fun? This is what a pretty sunset is all about. Beautiful sun setting on the hill at Point Loma in San Diego. And the fabulous Yacht America sliding right through the middle. Coming back from a sunset sail out onto the ocean. Late afternoon, Wednesday, July 15. Look at that.